Today we're going to talk about radioactivity and nuclear equation. Before we start on our nuclear equations, let's review some terms. First term is nucleon. A nucleon is basically one of the subatomic particles in the nucleus of an atom. They refer to either protons and neutrons. So this is the nucleus of an atom. Nucleons are going to be either our protons they all have positive charges, or our neutrons, which are neutral in charge. Okay? As well, we need to talk about the fact that we have the number of protons okay, that's our atomic number, and we abbreviate that as Z. Mass number that we abbreviate as A is the sum of the protons and neutrons. Okay? So basically, the atomic number, Z, the number of protons, so it's the total number of protons, and the mass number is the sum of protons and neutrons. So it would be the neutrons plus the number of protons. Okay? So in this example, Z would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and mass number would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? So what about radioactivity? Well, if we look at our elements, we also have elements that have the same number of protons but different mass number. And these are called isotopes. Okay? Same Z, different A. What that also means is that same element can have different weights. So an example would be hydrogen and deuterium. Okay, they are isotopes of each other. Okay, what about nuclide? A nuclide is just basically referring to the nucleus of an atom. So the nuclide of hydrogen is a proton. And let's talk about radioactivity. Radioactivity is basically the spontaneous emission from the nuclide. So basically, when we say emission, we're talking about different types of particles, or we're talking about gamma radiation, and we'll talk about the different types of emission that we can have. So a radionuclide is a radioactive nucleus. Okay, and a radioisotope is an isotope that's radioactive. Okay, so let's go ahead and do an example of a nuclear equation and then start talking about the different types of particles that can occur when we have radioactivity.